And we're back to exploring Midjourney. Let me show you an update on using sketches. It was one of the weak points, I think, up until now. I've already made a video about it for version 5, and I've used the same sketch here and done it again for version 6, and it's way better. You can even add the image weight and it gets closer to the original style of the sketch. And here I've used an aspect ratio that's closer to the original 2:3. Still not perfect. You can see the angle isn't the same in every image and it cuts off the feed, but we're definitely making progress. Let us go over an example, maybe this one. Doing hands is always a problem for AI, so this should be a challenge. If you've never done it, you can right click on an image if you've got it online and copy the image link, and then you can just paste this link. So imagine in Discord, then paste it, give it a little bit of a prompt, for example 2 hands, and then we need -V6 to access version 6. Let me also add an aspect ratio. What is it? It's more 3:2, I would say. So let us use that. I copy this and I confirm. Let me paste it and we'll get rid of the aspect ratio to compare it, and we'll paste it again and use image weight of 2, which is the maximum, and it puts more emphasis on the original image that's used, so that we've linked to. If you've got an image on your computer, you don't have an image link, you can just drag and drop it here into Discord. So I've just downloaded this one and then I dragged it here, but make sure to press enter until it gets processed right here. If you put it there, it's only a thumbnail, but if you want to actually use it, you need to have it processed by Discord. So press enter until you have that, and then you can open it in a browser, copy the link, and then paste it in right here in this message box. So first results, and as I've said, hands is still a problem for AI here and there. We don't have an image weight that's higher and we don't have the perfect aspect ratio, so results aren't perfect. This one's looking a little bit better. It has the right aspect ratio. Let's check the final results. It has the image weight of 2, and bottom left is a little bit closer, top right also. So once again, it's not a perfect recreation of the sketch, but compared to version 5, this is way better. Let's try a simpler example, maybe this one here, a human eye. I once again right click, copy the image link, and I go over 3 examples. Here's our first one without the proper aspect ratio. And bottom left has the correct angle, we could use that. Here we have the one where the aspect ratio is close to the original 4:3 and the angle in at least 3 of them is fine. Now let's check the last one. Aspect ratio and an image weight was used, and it even checked this little reflection. So I think bottom right, number 4, should be the best one. So you can see we're going in the right direction. Try it out yourself. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.